tell you something. Listen. I think we should do this more often.
I do.
Because they paid you to fly here. I got a pass. The hotel is a remarkable discount.
There are meals, as you've said before, Johnny.
You gotta eat anyway. So we can't afford this.
Not unless they count the drinks.
Oh, what's that supposed to mean?
You looking for a fight, Buster?
No, I'm not. Sit
Buster,
down,
Buster,
Alice.
wait.
Alice,
I gotta
Alice,
move
please.
here.
Hey!
If you want
Alice!
to fight, I can give you
Sit
all
down.
the
Okay, great.
trouble you can
I know you
handle.
can. Alice, sit down. Sit! Sit!
Wolf.